Welcome back. Welcome back. It's going to be a nice quiet evening, nice and mild, but a stormy one as we head into our Saturday with the risk of severe storms capable of producing damaging winds and a fairly significant risk of a few isolated strong tornadoes. And we'll talk more about that. So let's get over to the key wall and look at the water vapor channel here as we look at the upper level pattern. We have an upper level low digging out of the Rockies. That's going to be the severe weather maker and a storm maker. And we're already seeing a little bit of a surface reflection of that low up here by the Texas Panhandle. Behind it, snow. Ahead of it, still showers with the last weather system that would drag that line of showers and storms through the area late last night, early this morning, and hasn't made much forward progress. Still hanging out and still producing severe weather into late this afternoon, early this evening. Some locally very heavy rainfall over toward Mobile, lingering showers just near the Grand Isle area, and even a shower or two as we get closer to Acadiana into Terrebonne Parish, just south of the Atchafalaya River outlet. We're seeing a little bit of a shower, so moisture hasn't gone too far, and it's going to get sucked back into that weather system that's going to be approaching us during the course of the day tomorrow. Now, as for severe weather reports, going back to last night, National Weather Service did survey the tornadic action we saw in Vernon Parish into western Rapides Parish, and EF1 tornadoes, 90 to 100 mile per hour winds. So you can see there was a fairly good spread, and there were some very picturesque tornadoes also by the Houston area. Tomorrow we may have more severe weather reports, especially in Cenla and going into Mississippi, but we're not void of it as well. Here's the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Much of Acadiana in a slight to an enhanced risk, a level 2 to 3 out of 5 for the risk of severe storms, and the primary threat will be damaging winds and isolated tornadoes. As you get closer to the coast, that marine air may stabilize things a little bit, so maybe not as much of a risk down toward the coast. But here's the specific tornado risk per the Storm Prediction Center, and in the hatched area, which is along and north of I-10, includes northern Lafayette, northern Acadia Parish, northern Jeff Davis Parish on northward, a 10% chance of an isolated severe storm that could produce a strong tornado. That's EF2 or greater, 111 to 130 mile per hour winds, EF2, and there may be an EF3 in the mix going into Mississippi as we head into tomorrow. So here's the latest helicity index, or tornado spin potential. And I also look at the energy index right here. This is called CAPE. It's going to be anywhere between 2,500 and 3,500 in the area. So that is pretty strong. These numbers are specific for Lafayette. So what we're looking for, areas of red or purple. Again, when we get into this moderate risk for spin, it doesn't mean there's going to be a tornado forming here, but it shows you where conditions are going to be ripe. And look at that as you get into Mississippi. That area more than likely will be the area that sees the strongest tornadic action. But notice there are a couple of red dots across the region close to home, of Voiles into St. Landry Parish as we get into tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening, then things quiet down after 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow night. So here's the specific storm outlook with fog coming in. We do see showers and storms across southwest Louisiana, then building across Acadiana mid-morning hours, maybe a little bit of a break, and then more action developing late afternoon into the evening hours as a frontal boundary moves across the region. So prime time is going to be afternoon, evening, but we could have some strong showers and storms as early as noon tomorrow, then much drier air and a slightly cooler air into the week, into Sunday. And again, rainfall, we're not concerned, 1 inch or 2 inches at most for most of us as things will be moving along. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. And the fog factor, we got some wind coming in overnight tonight, so the fog doesn't look overly like a thick blanket, but we'll watch the trends. And then it stays close to the coast, ensuring that maybe you don't see severe weather down in that part of the world. Here are the wind gusts for tomorrow, 15 to 25 as we head into the afternoon hours, and then the storm dynamics get going. We see winds gusting into the 30 to 35 mile per hour range. That's in a storm here by Kinder. But of course, this is just not exact, but it gives you an idea that it's going to be a windy day tomorrow, and you'll see that on the TrueView forecast as well. So mild tonight, 67 the low. The normal high this time of year is 63 degrees. Few misty drizzles and some showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder toward daybreak down along the coast. Then for tomorrow, watch how the clouds really pick up into the afternoon hours. We're going to have that low-level jet going. Showers and storms into the afternoon. I do do expect one or more tornado watches for the area tomorrow afternoon into early tomorrow evening. Rain chance at about 90%. Doesn't mean it's going to rain all day long, but it does mean you're going to see showers and storms for sure. Thereafter, smooth sailing, 70s for Sunday and Monday, upper 60s to lower 70s. Then a cool down into the new year, and we don't see rain back into the forecast for another 9 or 10 days. That's it for weather for now. We'll have an update coming up later in the show.